guys, I partnered with Covergirl to show you guys a natural everyday makeup look using their newly upgraded Simply Ageless collection. This whole collection is a must-have, and here's why. It's now formulated with hyaluronic complex and vitamin C, and I think it's never too early to start looking out for those ingredients in your beauty products. So I am going to show you guys a natural everyday makeup look. It's super easy, and you guys can get this stuff delivered from any drugstore. Now this primer hydrates your skin, in which, don't get me wrong, I know we all age and we're all beautiful as we get older, but I feel like it's important to take care of your skin. Especially in times like right now, I believe it's important to keep a regimen and take care of your skin daily. Trust me, your skin will thank you in the long run. This primer is so smooth and airy, and I just feel like my skin can breathe with it on. It's also instantly hydrating, which is really important to me before putting makeup on, even if it's just a light look. I love myself a good instant fix, so thank you, Covergirl. And again, this is formulated with hyaluronic complex, vitamin C, and E antioxidants. I love the soft tip applicator. I feel like more brands really need to do this, especially for under your eyes. This concealer is super lightweight and lasts up to 10 hours. Next up, we have the Covergirl Simply Ageless 3-in-1 Liquid Foundation. I'm using color 227 Golden Beige. Okay, let's talk about this foundation. It can actually help improve your skin tone over time, and it helps with skin discoloration, such as sunspots, age spots, dark spots, all the spots. After I apply the 3-in-1 foundation, some days I need a little extra coverage. I try to use sunscreen daily, and this Simply Ageless Instant Wrinkle Defying Foundation has SPF 28 on top of the hyaluronic complex and vitamin C. It's definitely a winner. My color is 230 Classic Beige, and I'll be listing everything below for you guys. It looks solid until it touches your skin, and then it literally melts like butter. After it melts into a liquid, it dries to give you a soft, silky appearance. So now for my eyes, I'm going to use Covergirl's True Naked Roses palette, and the color that I like to use for my natural look is L3. Then we have the Lash Blast Volume Mascara, which has always been a staple of mine. I'm finishing up with the Covergirl True Blend Serving Sculpt palette. The color that I use is Rose Nights, and this palette is so pretty. The next step is applying Covergirl's Outlast All Day Custom Nudes Lip Gloss. Then I apply the top coat over my lip gloss that lasts up to 24 hours. It's magic. And there we have it. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you, Covergirl, for giving me this ageless look.